tour video with your host Solomon, and today I'm taking you to a nice, very beautiful community of Harvest Green here in Richmond, Texas. But if this is your first time in the channel and you love home tours videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. I post about 2 videos a week, and not only home tours but also anything that has to do with living, breathing and moving in Houston, Texas. So hit that subscribe button and give me a little like, leave a comment below as well. Now, if you also out there and you're thinking about moving to Houston, Texas, or buying your first home or buying or selling, please don't forget to reach out. My contact information will be in the description below, and my team and I will be more than happy to help you make a smooth move or transaction here in Houston, Texas. Anyway, without further ado, let's go check out this amazing beautiful home by Coventry here in Harvest Green in Richmond, Texas. Let's go. Alright, here we go, guys. So this is the Lumberton floor plan by Coventry Home right here. This is the model home. I think this is sitting on a 60 or 75 foot lot. I will confirm in the description below. But one thing is for sure, this is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. That's a lot. 2-story obviously, and it's a 3-car garage. I hope this pleases you. If you like this floor plan, again guys, don't forget to reach out if you have any questions or anything, or curious about what it will cost you or any requirement in order to get this home. Don't forget to reach out. All right, so enjoy the property. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's home tour, and if you have any questions again about this floor plan, please don't hesitate to reach out. And if you're thinking about relocating to Houston or buying your first home here, my contact information will be in the description below. I'll be happy to get a call, a text message, or an email from you guys. Now, if you love videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.